What's up, everybody? So I don't know if you can hear me. I'm out here at an undisclosed location filming exhaust clips of the new Greddy because I finished a little later than I wanted to last night, and it's a little too dark to get proper sound clips, and I also wanted to show you guys a little bit better the exhaust itself. So there it is. You can see those. Look at that. Oh, God. It was a fairly easy job. Typical stuff you expect from exhaust work. There's only a few bolts and the hangers. But other than that, it came out great. The car sounds amazing. I absolutely love it. I mean, I'm sure you're going to hear me say I've fallen in love with this car all over again as I add more stuff to it, but it's so bearable. The muffler deletes for just the screech as opposed to this. This is just a nice smooth sound now. As you'll see in these clips here, I'm going to get what I can out of here and get out of here, because this is the same road that made the car dusty as fuck immediately after I washed it, but she's looking halfway decent today, and probably give her another wash. So I'm going to get to filming these, and then we'll see what you guys think. See the difference between the muffler deletes and then the Greddy Evo GT. So check these out.